Hello aspirants, welcome back to College Dunia Exams. Are you appearing for BITSAT 2026? Then downloading your admit card is the most important step before exam day. In this video, we will explain the complete BITSAT 2026 admit card download process, step by step, exactly as per official guidelines. Let's begin. First, let's understand why your BITSAT admit card is so important. Your admit card is the official entry pass. Without it, you will not be allowed to enter the exam hall. It contains critical information like your personal details, exam date, reporting time, test center address, and important instructions to be followed during the exam time. It is also used for identity verification along with your photo ID and biometric checks at the center. Candidates must always keep an eye on official dates. All important updates related to slot booking, admit card release, and exam dates are published only on the official BITS website. We strongly advise students to regularly visit bitsadmission.com website for confirmed schedules and announcements. Before downloading the admit card, you must complete your slot booking process. Slot booking is mandatory and allows you to select your preferred exam date, morning or afternoon session, and test center city. Without your slot booking, you cannot download your admit card. In case you miss the slot booking deadline, BITS Pilani will automatically assign a slot based on availability, which may not suit your preference. So, book early to get your desired slot. Now let's move to the download process. Open your browser and visit the official website, bitsadmission.com. This is the only authentic portal. On the homepage, look for BITSAT 2026 admit card download link. Click on it and reach the secure login page. Security tip: always check the URL properly. Avoid fake websites and scams. Now enter your login details, application number that you received during registration, and the password created by you. If you forgot your password, click on Forgot Password to reset it via registered email or mobile number. After login, your admit card will appear as a PDF file. Before printing, carefully verify all the details: spelling of your name, date of birth, exam date and time, test center address, photograph and signature. If you find any error, immediately contact BITS Pilani. Do not try to edit it yourself. Printing tips: print 2 to 3 copies on A4 sheet paper. Ensure photo clarity and avoid lamination. Keep your digital backup handy. What to carry on your exam day is very important to remember. Printed admit card, original photo ID, maybe Aadhaar, PAN card, passport or your driving license. 2 passport size photos, same as you upload in your form. Important instructions for your exam day. Reach center 60 minutes early to your exam time. No mobile, smartwatch, calculator or any other electronic gadgets are allowed inside the exam center. Wear simple clothes and preferred footwear. Biometric verification is mandatory at the time of entering your exam center. Late entry may not be allowed, and so plan your travel properly and accordingly to your exam time. For help, visit the official site bitsadmission.com or call their toll-free helpline number or email for any payment issues. Always trust official sources for your doubt solving only. This was the complete guide to download your BITSAT 2026 admit card. All the best for the exam.